Okay, good day everyone. Welcome to I Square Maths Academy, where numbers and variables actually meet mastery. Yes, today we are going to be looking at a question under word problem. Yes, word problem leading to simultaneous equation. And now the question is, Emeka and Bimbo's ages were added up to 28 years. 5 years ago, Emeka was twice as old as Bimbo. Find their present ages respectively. Now, solution. Now, let's Emeka's present age be equal to x. Yes, that's the present age of Emeka now. Let his present age be equal to x. And Bimbo's present age be equal to y. Yes. So it means if Emeka's present age is equal to x years, that's x years, it means 5 years ago, 5 years ago, Emeka was x minus 5 years. Yes. If you are 10 years today, it means 5 years ago you were 10 minus 5 years. So if the present age of Emeka is x years, it means 5 years ago Emeka was x minus 5 years. Now let's figure that of Bimbo. Now this same 5 years ago, Bimbo was equal to y minus 5 years. Yes, since the present age of Bimbo is y years, it means 5 years ago, Bimbo was y minus 5 years. Now, coming back to the question, here they said Emeka and Bimbo's ages were added up to 28 years. So Emeka's yes plus that of Bimbo, yes, is equal to 28 years. Now, let's call this equation 1. Yes, equation 1. Now, Emeka was twice as old as Bimbo 5 years ago. So 5 years ago, Emeka's age was x minus 5 years. And this same 5 years ago, he was twice, that's 2 times the age of Bimbo. And remember, the present age of Bimbo is y years. So it means 5 years ago, she was y minus 5 years. So here we have y minus 5. Now let's call this equation 2. Now it means equation 1, x plus y is equal to 28. Equation 1. Now let's expand this equation 2. Here we have x minus 5 will be equal to 2 times y is 2y. Yes, 2 times y is 2y. 2 times minus 5 is minus 10. Yes, 2 times 5 is minus 10. So let's call this equation 2. So it means in this case, now let's using the substitution method. Yes. Now from equation 2, the value of x will be equal to 2y minus 10 plus 5. Yes. If you take this minus 5 to the other side, it becomes plus 5. So it means x will be equal to 2y minus 10 plus 5 is minus 5. So now let's start this equation 3. Yes, and remember we actually made x the subject of the equation from equation 2. So it means we are substituting the value of x now into equation 1. So substitute x is equal to 2y minus 5 into equation 1. Now, it therefore means that anywhere we see x in equation 1, we are putting 2y minus 5. So in equation 1, x, so that is 2y minus 5 plus y is equal to 28. Yes, this x is 2y minus 5 plus y is equal to 28. So 2y plus y, this y is simply the same 1y. 2y plus y is 3y. So 3y minus 5 is equal to 28. So at this point, let's collect like terms. Now, collecting like terms, we have 3y will be equal to 28 plus 5. Yes, 3y is equal to 28 plus 5 because this is minus 5, negative 5. Yes, crossing to the other side, that's to the right hand side, it will change the plus, a positive value. So here, we have 3y will be equal to 28 plus 5 is 33. So to get the value of y, you divide 2 by 3. So here we have 3y all over 3 is equal to 33 all over 3. Now this 3 will go with this 3. We have y is equal to 33 divided by 3 is 11. Yes, is 11. Now, put y is equal to 11 into equation 3. Now, remember, you can put it into any of the equations. You can put it in either equation 1, equation 2, or equation 3. Yes, but now we are putting it into equation 3 to get the value of x. So it means our x, or the value of x, will be equal to 2y. So here we have 2 in brackets. The value of this y now is 11. So we have 2 times 11 minus 5. Minus 5. So here x will be equal to 22 minus 5. So the value of x now will be equal to 22 minus 5 is 17. Yes. So but remember here we said let x represent the age, the present age of Emeka, and y the present age of Bimbo. So it means x, Emeka's age, Emeka's present age is equal to 17 years. Yes. Now Bimbo's present age, is equal to, that's the value of y, is 11 years. So here they actually gave us options to pick from. Yes, they said we should find their ages respectively, find their present ages respectively. So here Emeka is 17 years and Bimbo is 11 years. So thank you for listening.